never made a video like this. Hey guys, it's Mimi here and welcome to Geeklightful. I'm so excited to talk to you guys today because it's been so long since I've been able to just sit in front of the camera or stand in front of the camera. So today I thought I would be making a little update for you guys and tell you what has been going on because it's been so long. So the big change that happened that I talked a little bit about in my Japanese dollar store haul, I think, is that we actually moved at the end of January and we are now in a beautiful home, and I feel so blessed to be here. So I'm going to show you guys a little glimpse of what our living room and our dining room looks like. So here you can see our dining room and all our board games. They're so colorful and I love having them there on the open, not hiding inside a cupboard. I really like how our dining room is so much bigger than what we had before, guys. You have no idea. And this is the living room. I love the white and I love putting all my little figurines and cute plushies everywhere. So as you can see, I am so happy here and so thankful to be here. So I had a few things that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and the first one was that we moved, and then the second one is something that I talked to you in the video that I announced that I would be making a lot less videos. And in this video I was telling you how I am a music therapist and how I really want to work with older adults. So since then I've been in the process of looking for a job, and it's actually pretty complicated since music therapy isn't well known here and I have to take a lot of time to inform people about what it is and how it can help. So all of this takes a lot of time and effort. So lately I've been doing a lot of studying, a lot of reading, and I'm even taking an online class right now. So I'm really getting into music therapy, and all of this takes a lot of time. So YouTube really has to be a hobby that I do when I have the time, because my priority really is to focus on music therapy, but I still want to make videos for you guys as a hobby. Oh, and I also wanted to tell you that I received a special gift from banggood.com. He sent me this bakery that looks so adorable. I can't wait to put my Nendoroids in there and all my remits also. But if you have any suggestion for me to personalize it and kind of give it a theme, like inspired by a movie, a character, an anime, anything. So if you have any suggestions, please tell me in the comment section below. I already did a dollhouse kitchen that was inspired by Hello Kitty. You will find a link at the end of this video or in the cards, so you can tell me your suggestions in the comment section below. I thought I would end this video by sharing with you some of my favorites from 2018 so far. So my first favorite of 2018 is this coffee from Tim Hortons. So I'm really sorry if you don't have access to Tim Hortons, but if you ever come to Canada, this magical little powder is so delicious. So it's French vanilla cappuccino, and it's a powder that you put in hot water, and of course it's super sweet, and that's the way I like my coffee. Since I don't drink coffee very often, when I do, it does give me a lot of energy, which is an understatement. And now for my second favorite, this super gorgeous lipstick from Maybelline called Super Stay Matte Ink. It's actually the one I'm wearing because, yeah, it's a favorite, and it's such a bright red. I love the color, but the thing is it's a bit sticky and it's supposed to be matte, but I like to put a little bit of this lip balm that comes with the Super Stay 24 Hour from Maybelline. It does kind of cancel the matte effect because it's a bit glossy, but it really makes it more comfortable to wear. What's really nice is that it pretty much stays on during the whole day, and it's also kiss-proof, as you can see, which is a pretty practical feature. So my third favorite is actually a little appliance that we bought from Japan. Toilets in Japan are just next level, guys. They have some little technologies here and there that make the toilet experience so much more pleasant. Of course, the best toilet appliance that we could have would be the toilet itself, because they have heating seats, which is so amazing. There's actually a button that you can push that makes water sounds while you're on the toilet, so it makes everything more subtle. We didn't get the whole toilet experience, but we did get the little toilet paper support. So here is our Japanese toilet paper stand, and first of all you have some little plastic teeth right here that help you cut out your toilet paper. So fancy. And the most amazing part of all of this, when you need to change the toilet paper, all you have to do is push it up and then push the next one in. It's as simple as that and as convenient as it could be. And now for my fourth favorite. It's actually a gift that I got from one of my friends. It's the big candle from Bath & Body Works. It smells like strawberry sorbet, and it's so soothing and beautiful, and I think it will look super cute in my living room. So huge thanks to my friend for giving me this. I love it so much. I'm looking at my last favorite, that's right here, and I love it so much, guys. I've been wearing it way too often lately, so I can't wait to show you what it looks like. So here is my last favorite. It's such a comfy shirt. I'm wearing it pretty much every evening these days. So it's super soft, but here is the best feature about it. Oh my goodness, can you see this? It's so cute. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. This coffee is making me so jittery. This is the most amazing sweater I've ever had. I mean, look at these. So cute. I'm so thankful to God right now for everything He's putting in my life, for this new home and all those favors that He allowed me to have, and the 2 new job opportunities that I have right now. I forgot to talk to you guys about that, but anyway, I have 2 new contracts with music therapy that I'm so excited about. I'm so hot. It's a pretty hot shirt though, especially when you're drinking coffee and you're way too excited for your all good. So I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this little update. Please tell me in the comment section how you've been doing, what you've been up to in January and February. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to make more videos for you. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye. Okay. Oh my goodness, this coffee is really getting to me. I'm so sorry guys, I've been talking so fast in this video, it's ridiculous, but I think we all know who's to blame here.